Standard 10th Geography, Chapter 4, Climate. Question number 1. Write the names of the state or regions in appropriate columns. Bihar, Tocantins, Alagoas, Pernambuco, Eastern Maharashtra, Western part of the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Rio Grande do Norte, Paraiba, Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas, Western Andhra Pradesh, Amazonas, West Bengal, Roraima, Rio Grande do Sul, Santa Catarina, Goa. Classifying states or regions: India, Brazil. High rainfall occurs in India, Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas, Goa. In Brazil, Amazonas, Roraima, Rio Grande do Sul, Tocantins. Moderate rainfall occurring in India, Bihar, Gujarat, West Bengal, Eastern Maharashtra. In Brazil, Alagoas, Santa Catarina. Low rainfall is occurring in India, western part of Rajasthan, western Andhra Pradesh. In Brazil, Pernambuco, Rio Grande do Norte, Paraiba. Question number 2. State whether right or wrong. Rewrite the wrong sentences. A. The fact that Brazil lies on the equator affects its climate in a big way. Answer right. B. India and Brazil have the same seasons at the same time. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence: India and Brazil have different seasons at the same time. Third question. India faces tropical cyclones frequently. Answer right. Fourth question. Brazil gets a lot of rainfall because of the southwest monsoon winds. Answer wrong. Corrected sentence: Brazil gets rainfall from southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Question number 3. Give geographical reasons. A. The northeastern part of Brazilian highlands receives very less rainfall. Answer. Brazil receives rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. Next point. The escarpment acts as an obstruction to the winds blowing from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall. In the coastal region. Next point, beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is a rain shadow region. B. Snowfall doesn't always occur in Brazil. Answer. Brazil is a tropical country. Snowfall generally occurs in the temperate and polar zone due to polar winds. The average temperature of Brazil is between 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius throughout the year. This temperature is not suitable for snowfall. Next one. So, the snowfall doesn't always occur in Brazil. C. Convectional type of rainfall is not prominent in India. Answer. India is tropical country. Next point. Convectional rainfall occurs in equatorial regions. Next one. Air near the equatorial region is heated more due to high intensity of sun rays. It expands, becomes lighter and moves in the upward directions. The rising air cools down, relative humidity increases and condensation begins. This convectional type of rainfall is mainly occurring in equatorial region. In India, the orographic type of rainfall is occurring. D. Tropical cyclone occur rarely in Brazil. Answer. In the coastal regions near the equator in Brazil, difference in temperatures are negligible. The winds move in the vertical direction in this region. Next one. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade winds is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. Next point. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coasts of Brazil. Next question. E. There is not much difference in the range of temperature in Manas. Answer. Manas is located to the north of Brazil. The temperature does not vary much in this region. Manas is situated near to the equator. The equator passes through the northern part of Brazil, which means that the sun rays are perpendicular in this region throughout the year. Hence, the temperature here is hot. Moreover, as it falls under the equatorial region, this region experiences conventional type of rainfall. So, the temperature here is humid. So, thus, throughout this region experiences hot and humid climate. Therefore, there is not much difference in the range of climatic temperature in Manas. F. India receives precipitation from the northeast monsoon winds too. Answer. India receives most of its precipitation from the southwest monsoon winds. These winds are obstructed by the Himalayan ranges in the north. These winds start their return journey and blowing towards the Indian Ocean. The return journey of these winds blow from northeast and southwest direction. As its effect, these winds bring retreating monsoon in India. Thus, India receives precipitation from the northeast monsoon winds too. Question number 4. Answer the following question. A. Describe in brief the changes occurring in the climatic conditions of India while going from south to north. Answer. India's climate is monsoon type. The Tropic of Cancer, which passes through the middle of the country. As a result, average temperatures are higher throughout the year. Also, temperature increases towards the south. In winters, the temperatures dropped to -40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous region of Himalayas. The diversity in climatic conditions of India is due to the latitudinal location and altitude of the place. The Indian Ocean and the Himalayas ranges that had a great influence on the climate of India and origin of monsoon. B. Explain the importance of the Himalayas and the Indian Ocean with respect to the climate of India. Answer. The Indian Ocean and the Himalayas ranges exerts a great influence on the climate of India and the origin of monsoons. We recalled winds blowing from the north are obstructed by the Himalayas. Similarly, the southwest monsoon retreat from the Shivalik and Himachal ranges of the Himalayas. Next point. The high temperatures in summers, the low pressure area develop in Punjab plains and Thar desert of Rajasthan. This attracts winds blows from the high pressure region in the Indian Ocean which starts flowing towards the mainland of India. These moisture-laden winds bring rainfall. Point. Later, these winds' moisture carrying capacity increases. Next one, orographic type of rainfall occurs because of the natural obstruction of the Himalayas. These ones return from the Himalayan ranges and their retreating journey starts. While blowing from the northeast towards the Indian Ocean, these winds bring rainfall again to some parts of the peninsula. Discuss the factors affecting climate of Brazil. Answer. Vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climate variation in climate. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. Next point. The escarpment acts as an obstruction to the winds blowing from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effects of these winds gets reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Next point. Due to proximity to equator, the temperature in northern part of Brazil is hot, while the temperature in the southern part are comparatively lower. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. Next point. Parts of the Brazilian highlands extends up to the northern coast. the temperature is comparatively low in the Brazilian highlands. Next point, the average temperature in the Amazon valley is 25 degrees to 28 degrees Celsius. The Amazon valley receives around 2000 mm of rainfall. In the northern eastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 mm of rainfall. Compare the climates of India and Brazil. India India has a monsoon type of climate. In Brazil experiences wide range of variation in climate. Brazil's climate is of tropical type. In India, the temperature is comparatively lower in the northern part and higher in southern part. In Brazil, the temperature is comparatively higher in the northern part and lower in the southern part. In India, the amount of rainfall is comparatively lower in the northern part and higher in the southern part. In Brazil, the amount of rainfall is comparatively higher in the northern part and lower in the southern part. In India, hot and humid climate is found near the coastal region. In Brazil, mild and humid climate is found near the coastal region. India gets rainfall from southwest monsoon winds, but Brazil gets rainfall from southeast and northeast trade winds. India faces natural disasters like cyclones, flood, droughts, erratic rainfall, etc. Cyclones rarely visit the coasts of Brazil. Thank you. Please watch and subscribe.